Optifast Protein Plus is a meal replacement shake designed to help with weight management by providing a convenient and balanced source of nutrition. This product is part of the broader Optifast range, which is well known in the field of medical weight loss programs. The shake is marketed as a high-protein, low-calorie option that can be used to replace one or more meals per day, depending on individual dietary needs. One of the key selling points of Optifast Protein Plus is its high protein content. Each serving provides approximately 28 grams of protein, which helps to promote satiety and preserve lean muscle mass during weight loss. This is particularly important for those who are looking to lose weight without sacrificing muscle. The protein in Optifast Protein Plus is derived from a combination of whey protein concentrate and milk protein concentrate. These sources are known for their high biological value, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids the body needs. In addition to protein, Optifast Protein Plus contains a blend of vitamins and minerals designed to support overall health. Each serving includes essential nutrients such as calcium, vitamin D, and potassium, which are often lacking in calorie-restricted diets. The shake is also low in fat, with each serving containing around 5.6 grams of fat, and it is relatively low in carbohydrates, making it suitable for those following a low-carb diet. The price of Optifast Protein Plus can vary depending on the retailer, but it generally falls in the range of $40 to $55 for a box containing 12 servings. This makes it a relatively affordable option for those looking for a convenient meal replacement. However, the cost can add up if you plan to use it as a regular part of your diet, especially if you're replacing multiple meals per day. The ingredient list for Optifast Protein Plus includes whey protein concentrate, milk protein concentrate, maltodextrin, sunflower oil, and a blend of vitamins and minerals. It also contains artificial sweeteners, which may be a point of concern for some individuals. The inclusion of maltodextrin, a carbohydrate with a high glycemic index, may also be worth noting for those who are closely monitoring their blood sugar levels. While Optifast Protein Plus offers a convenient and nutritionally balanced meal replacement option, it may not be the best fit for everyone. For those who are looking for alternatives, there are several other protein shakes on the market that offer similar benefits. One alternative is the Premier Protein Shake, which also provides 30 grams of protein per serving and is available in a variety of flavors. Another option is the Slim Fast Advanced Nutrition Shake, which offers a comparable amount of protein and includes additional fiber to help promote satiety. The Ensure Max Protein Shake is another alternative, providing 30 grams of protein with a low sugar content, which may appeal to those who are concerned about their sugar intake. In conclusion, Optifast Protein Plus is a solid choice for those looking for a high-protein, low-calorie meal replacement shake. It offers a convenient way to manage weight while ensuring you get essential nutrients. However, like any meal replacement, it's important to consider whether it fits your dietary needs and lifestyle. Additionally, there are several alternatives on the market that may better suit individual preferences or nutritional requirements.